Hello everyone. Welcome to today's session on Google Sheets. I'm excited to dive into this powerful tool with you. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or looking to sharpen your skills, I'm sure you'll find some valuable tips and tricks here. First off, what is Google Sheets? Google Sheets is a cloud-based spreadsheet application that is really similar to Microsoft Excel, but it's in the Google Workplace suite. It has some unique features that make it really handy, both for personal and professional use. I'm going to start breaking down some key features that make Google Sheets a powerful tool, such as real-time collaboration. One feature that typically stands out in Google applications is that you have the ability to share it with other people. So the share button is typically in the top right corner, and you can enter the email address or generate a shareable link. You can also set permissions, view only, comment only, or edit, so it's super flexible. Since Google Sheets is cloud-based, as I mentioned earlier, your spreadsheets are stored in your Google Drive. This means that you can access them from any device, as long as you have the application, like on your phone. You would have the app, and you could just open it and work from your phone. So you don't need to worry about losing your work because it will all be saved to your Google Drive. You can also open a web browser just anywhere and type in like Google Sheets or Google Drive, and it'll pull up everything that you've edited in the past. Moving on to formulas and like functionality. Google Sheets is packed with very powerful functions and formulas. For example, you can use the functions like sum or average to get your average number or like the total number out of all of your data that you've put in. Here's a quick example. If you want to calculate your total range of numbers, you can use the sum function. You just have to type equals and then SUM, and then you put in your cells that you would like to use. So for example, going through and doing A1 through A10, and it would sum up all of your numbers that you would need to use. There's also conditional formatting, which lets you automatically change the formatting of the cells based on your the content. So adjusting the size based on your how much text is in your cell. I can show you that right now, actually. It automatically just keeps the cell the same size, or if you want to change it, you can very easily just move the little thing right here. But you can also highlight cells with values above a certain number, or like color code different types of data. So how to set that up, you would select the cells you want to format, and then you would go to Format, and then Conditional Formatting. Then you can set your rules and change and choose how you want your formatting to appear. You can also have data visualization in Google Sheets, which is really helpful for making data more understandable. So you can create charts or bar graphs or pie charts, line graphs, all sorts of different charts and graphs. There's also a bunch of add-ons, because Google Sheets, just Google in general, typically, supports a variety of add-ons that enhance functionality. From tools for projects or data analysis, you can find add-ons in the Google Workspace, Marketplace. To go look at those, you would go to extensions and then add-ons and then get add-ons. And then you can just browse the little marketplace and find tools to help you streamline your workflow. But as I was mentioning earlier, data visualization, it helps you ensure the integrity of your data. And you can set rulers for what kind of data can be entered into a cell. For example, you can create a drop-down list of options, or restrict entries to numbers only. To set up data visualization, you would select your cell or your range, and you would go to data and then data visualization, or validation, sorry. and try to configure your rules. Then it also functions very well for productivity. There are several functions in Google Sheets designed to boost productivity. For instance, the importance function allows you to pull data from one spreadsheet into another, or the Google Finance lets you import real-time financial data. There are other useful functions. Here's a practical case. If you use a spreadsheet with sales data, or other financial forecasts, you can use the importance or import range to pull data from one into the other without having to manually copy and paste the whole data range that you need. There's also version history, which is on a lot of Google applications. You can review and restore previous versions of your spreadsheet if you need to. This also helps track changes or revert to earlier versions of your work. To access your version history, you would go to File, and then Version History, and then See Version History, and then you can browse through past versions and restore the ones that you need. There are also templates. Google Sheets offers a variety of templates to help you get started quickly, such as right here. Whether you need a budget template, a project tracker, or a calendar, you can find pre-designed templates to fit anything that you need done. To access the templates, you would go to Google Sheets, click on the home screen, and click on Template Gallery, which is right here. And then you browse the categories and select the template that you would like to use. Recapping, Google Sheets is a versatile tool that uses real-time collaboration, cloud-based storage, powerful functions, many features designed to help you manage and analyze data efficiently. Make sure that if you have any questions, you just leave them down below. But thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this helpful. I hope that you are able to keep experimenting with Google Sheets, and happy spreadsheeting.